Chineke hụrụ m n'anya. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya.
Before I knew his name, he already knew mine. Before I took my first breath, his love was already surrounding me. There were days I felt forgotten, days my heart was filled with fear. But in the silence of my weakness, your gentle voice was always near. When I stumbled on life's journey, your strong hand lifted me again. You never counted all my failures, instead you washed away my pain. The world may change from day to day, friends may come and drift away, but your love remains unshaken, forever faithful come what may. You call me by my own name, not because of what I've done, but because I'm your beloved, your daughter, your son. Your mercy wakes me every morning, your grace walks beside me every day. Where would I be without your goodness? You're the truth, the life, the way.
Chineke hụrụ m n'anya.
Hụrụ m n'anya nke ukwuu.
Chineke hụrụ m n'anya.
Ịhụnanya ya anaghị akwụsị. When I was weak,
you gave me strength.
When I was lost,
you led me home.
Forever I will sing your praise. You turned my mourning into dancing,
fill my empty hands with hope.
When I thought the road had ended,
you became the path I chose.
You opened doors no one could open,
made a river in the desert sand.
You proved that nothing is impossible
when my life is in your hands.
Every sunrise tells your story, every heartbeat speaks your grace. Every blessing I remember
shows the beauty of your face. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya.
Hụrụ m n'anya nke ukwuu.
Chineke hụrụ m n'anya.
Ịhụnanya ya anaghị akwụsị. You are my refuge.
You are my song.
In every season,
you've been my strength.
You are my refuge.
You are my song.
In every season,
you've been my strength. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya. If the mountains stand before me, I will not be afraid. If the rivers rise around me, I know you'll make a way.
Your promises never fail, your word remains the same. The God who never sleeps is watching over me.
Your love is my foundation, your peace is my song. No matter where life leads me, I know where I belong. Who am I that the creator of heaven would know my name? Who am I that the King of Kings would call me his child? Yet every day your kindness reminds me that I am loved.
Not because
I earned it,
but because
that is who you are. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya.
I will lift my voice forever.
Chineke hụrụ m n'anya.
Your love is my greatest treasure. Through every trial,
through every victory,
you have remained faithful.
Chineke hụrụ m n'anya. I will never stop declaring it. Today, tomorrow, forever. Today, tomorrow, forever. Today, tomorrow.
When my journey is complete,
when my race is finally won, my song will still remain the same. The love that never failed me,
the grace that carried me,
the Father who never left me.
Forever,
forever, forever,
forever,
forever. Chineke hụrụ m n'anya. Chineke hụrụ m
Before I knew his name,
he already knew mine.
Before I took my first breath,
his love was already surrounding me.
There were days I felt forgotten,
days my heart was filled with fear.
but in the silence of my weakness,
your gentle voice was always near.
when I stumbled on life's journey,
Your strong hand lifted me again.
you never counted all my failures.
Instead, you washed away my pain. The world may change from day to day, friends may come and drift away, but your love remains unshaken, forever faithful come what may. You call me by my own name, not because of what I've done, but because I'm your beloved, your daughter, your son.
Your mercy wakes me every morning, your grace walks beside me every day. Where would I be without your goodness?
You're the truth, the life, the way.
Hey.
Chineke Hụrụ M N'Anya.
Hụrụ M N'anya nke ukwuu.
Chineke Hụrụ M N'Anya. Ịhụnanya ya na ya kwụsị.
When I was weak,
You gave me strength.
when I was lost,
You led me home.
hey.
Chineke Hụrụ M N'Anya.
Forever
I will sing your praise.
you turned my morning into dancing.
Filled my empty hands with hope.
When I thought the road had ended,
You became the path I chose.
you opened doors no one could open.
Made a river in the desert sand.
You proved that nothing is impossible.
When my life is in your hands,
Every sunrise tells your story, every heartbeat speaks your grace. Every blessing I remember
shows the beauty of your face.
you called me by my own name,
Not because of what I've done,
but because I'm your beloved,
your daughter, your son.
your mercy wakes me,
Every morning,
your grace walks beside me.
every day. Where would I be without your goodness?